It's good to be back in Palmerston North again. Yes, I always look forward to coming to Palmerston North. To me, Palmerston North is an escape, an adventure. Yeah, I just want to unplug and escape. Yeah, I'm going into the plaza first. Okay, time to go and see what's at JB Hi-Fi. JB Hi-Fi's got the new Star Trek spin-off movie, Section 31 for sale, starring Michelle Yeoh. Yeah, I heard that was a terrible movie and it's not very good. I love Hero Quest. I became a Star Wars fan because of The Empire Strikes Back. The Snowspeeder battle was mind-blowing. Okay, popping into the lolly shop. Thank you. $3.50. Thank you. Thanks. I like Toy World. It's a nice toy shop. $400. I like Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope someday Lego will do Hero Quest and Alex Kidd in Miracle World. Yep, now it's time to go into the Salvation shop. Later on, I'll be popping into the warehouse. Oh, The Snowman is a timeless classic. Rest in peace, David Bowie. Yep, DVDs. Nothing I want again. Wow, Wolverine for $4. Not much here at Greek store. No Lego. I was mixed on Thor Ragnarok. The Red Cross bookshop. Let's go and see what's there. I was mixed on the new He-Man film. Aragon wasn't a great film. It was a rip-off of Star Wars A New Hope. That's a shame. I've not found much today so far. Well, there's still the warehouse. Right, let's go and have a look in the warehouse, shall we? I've got Candyland. The new Jumanji film, Open World, is out in December. I enjoyed Welcome to the Jungle and The Next Level. It would be cool to go to a pirate-themed restaurant. Arrgh. Yep, I'm going to buy this Lego Classic set. I don't want to go home empty-handed today. And besides, I love Lego. Just quickly going to pop into Hipster and say a quick hello to my friend Morgan. Yes, hello Morgan.
Oh hey, how are you?
Yeah, thanks. I thought I'd pop and say a quick hello. This is a nice little shop called Rolters Road. Yep, I'm just going to go into the library and have a little sit down just for a few minutes. I'm just going to have a quick look around in here. What a view. This is the back of Regent Theater, and this is where I met Michael Barrymore once in 2003. Back into the dungeon. Just having a drink and sitting down for a few minutes here at Valkyrie Games. Decided to have a can of Lift Plus. This toy battle game looks cool. I miss Scarlett Johansson as Natasha Romanoff, the Black Widow in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The Marvel Cinematic Universe hasn't been the same without her. I love Buzz Lightyear, he's my favourite Toy Story character. I'm at cash converters. No old Sega Master System games of interest again. Yeah, and no Funko Pops I want. Phew, I think I'm gonna have to go and get some to eat soon. Man, I'm hungry. I've just bought myself a new stopwatch from Hello Banana. $10. Okay, I'm going to Carl's Jr. now. I'm gonna go and get something to eat. I'm hungry. Right, well, I'm going to eat my burgers and chips and then I must get a move on because my time in Palmerston North will run out soon. Okay, and now I'm going into Farmers. I wish Lego wasn't so expensive. Why does everything have to be so goddamn expensive? Oh, I wish I had a Lego Space Monorail train set. I haven't been on a train ride since 2007. Nicholas Glitzen was very good as the new He-Man in the new He-Man movie. I bet this Lego Home Alone set is really expensive. I hope someday Lego will do Hero Quest. Oh, why did EB Games have to close down? I'm never going to get those Funko Pops of Ginger Spice and Mara Jade now. Well, that's about it for me. Bus will be leaving soon, so I better get there. Besides, I've done enough today. I like motorcycles. That's a nice bike. Well, that's it. Back to reality. Oh, I enjoyed today's trip to Palmeston North and I didn't go empty-handed, found some Lego. Yeah, no, I have to wait weeks again.